This is Park Heights, a soft, easy to clean plush carpet from Empire Today. Park Heights carpet is stain resistant, pet friendly, and exceptionally comfortable. Don't let the idea of stains scare you away from new carpet. Park Heights comes with R2X, an all-over fiber treatment, which helps protect the carpet from stains and everyday soiling. Worried about pets? Park Heights has pet urine protection, which helps keep pet urine accidents from leaving stains. Plus, there's no loops for claws and paws to get stuck on. And if you're going to get carpet, better pick one that is exceptionally soft to the touch. You guessed it, Park Heights is comfortable, it's luxurious, it's the perfect carpet to relax on with loved ones after a long day. Park Heights plush carpet is resistant to stains, pet friendly, and above all, is exceptionally comfortable. See Park Heights in person when you schedule your free in-home estimate.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.